everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pendulum Predictions, where I ask 12 questions of the pendulum, bringing down my spirit guides. I have the 12 questions in front of me. If you see me looking over here, that's why. And this is a copper pendulum, really good for being a good conduit of energy. Copper is great for that. And so I have programmed all of my pendulums that this is yes, this is no, and this is maybe, and then we have to ask a follow-up question. So here we go. Will 45 be fully removed from the political stage before the midterms? Okay, yes. Let's do a follow-up question, because that's the fall of 2026. Will it be before the fall of 2026? Yes. Will it be before the summer of 2026? Yes. Will it be before the spring? Yes. And it's slowing down. Okay, so it's going to take a few months, but he's going. Will there finally be arrests for high-level figures tied to the Jeffrey E. scandal? And I think we all know who I'm talking about, right? All right. Will there finally be arrests? Yes. Will it be in the next 6 months? It's not a robust yes, it's a yes. So I think maybe some of the people that are really high profile, the people that we're waiting to see if something's going to happen to them, it takes a little bit. But we've already seen what has happened to Prince Andrew, right? Being stripped of his titles. Okay. Will the current government shutdown extend past November before it's resolved? So will it go into December is the question. Will it go into December? No. See how it's going back and forth, side to side? No. Okay. Will Jack Smith's investigation expose new players connected to international money or influence networks? So I'm talking about the investigation that he did in the past, because he has so many sealed documents that we haven't seen. So is this going to expose new players? Yes. Okay, there we have it. Thank you. Will 3i Atlas be publicly linked to surveillance or control programs? Okay, interesting. All right, let's see. So 3i Atlas is that comet that's not really a comet. Will it be linked to surveillance or control programs? No. Okay. Will Netanyahu lose power or step down within the next 6 months? Yes, not the most robust yes. Is there more to the story with him than what we know with how he exits? Is there something that's just simply unforeseen? Yes. Yeah, I think we could be getting into that territory of like things I probably shouldn't say publicly. But I do feel like he's on his way out. Will Ukraine receive a major unexpected advantage that shifts the course of the war? Okay, so this is going in circles. Can you see how it's going in circles? So it's like, all right, this is a maybe, this is complicated, we need to look at it. So let's break this into two pieces. Will Ukraine receive a major unexpected advantage? Yes. Will it shift the course of the war? No. Okay. If you want more about that one, watch my live from Sunday. Will Vlad lose his position of power before 2026? No, so not before. I really do think with Pluto and Aquarius, think about the last time that it happened. The French got rid of their monarchy, America became independent. I think we're going to see a lot of these countries, Russia, Israel, the US, have a change of guard, a change of the old ways. Even England, I think we're going to see with the royal family, they're going to be stepping back more and more. I don't see like a big revolution. I just think it's going to be like a natural progression. And don't forget, Pluto is going to be in Aquarius for 19 years. Will the US government admit direct contact with non human intelligences in the next 2 years? So, this is literally, is our government going to say, yeah, we chatted with ETs? Yes. All right, I will take that. I am ready for that. I don't know about you. Will we see mass public awakening events that can't be explained away by media spin? Okay. Will we see mass public awakening events? So this is going like more into the extraterrestrials, paranormal, sort of like when we saw all those things in the sky last December, right? Is that going to happen again? And the media won't be able to explain it away. Yes. Yes. And I think the reason is because we're getting ready for contact. We are. Will new financial systems or currencies start replacing central banks in 2026? It's like a baby yes. It's a very slow yes. So this will be gradual. I don't think it's something that we need to panic about. I get asked that all the time. I'm not a money manager or anything like that, but I don't think this is something that we have to worry about. I think it'll be okay. Will energy healing and light frequency medicine begin merging with mainstream science in the next 5 years? I am so ready for that. I don't know about you. Yes. Okay. Liking this. It's just time, right? Medicine has sort of plateaued. It's time. So let's finish up with a fun 3-card pull because it's Halloween. I'm in Salem. Love Halloween. I will use the Halloween Oracle and just take a nice deep breath, center yourself, and ask the universe, your guides, your angels, creator, whomever you want to, what do you need to know today? And I will just take the top 3 cards. And using your intuition, your gut instinct, which one do you feel drawn to? And you may be drawn to more than one. That's okay. 1, 2, or 3? Here we go. Number 1, love it. It's the black cat. How gorgeous is he? And it says, fortune meets opportunity. So I think black cats are lucky. If you don't know, I love cats. Actually, I love all animals. But if you don't know, I have 2 of like the world's oldest cats. Literally, they're in their 20s. Right now, they're in their heated orthopedic beds, living the best life. So, yeah, if a black cat crosses your path, you're lucky, right? You've had a good day. And so fortune meets opportunity. Something good is about to happen. If you've been waiting for that breakthrough, more money, abundance, a breakthrough with your health, something good's about to happen for you. Number 2, oh, you get the apple. Look at that. And it has a heart like bitten into it. And it says, risk and reward. This reminds me a bit of the Fool card in tarot, because he takes a leap of faith, and that's what starts us on the whole tarot journey, right? He's not a fool. He has faith. He trusts in divine timing. And, I always say to my clients, take calculated risks, right? You don't want to do something foolish, like don't give up your day job before you have another one, right? Take a calculated risk, and this risk is going to pay off. And I bet if you got this card, you know what the risk is. Go ahead, publish that book. It's time. Create that podcast. All right. And then number 3, this one's kind of cool. The Mummy. And it says, I'm trying to get past the ring light. And it says change. Okay. So what in your life do you need to change? What is it that, you feel stuck and stagnant about? Are you sick of your career, your work, your love life, your health, your diet, whatever? Where are you resisting change? And I will tell you, if you're a member, and this is for all levels of membership, we are doing Denise Linn's soul coaching book for book club. We're going to meet next month in November, and I have a certified Denise Linn soul coach coming in to talk to us. This could be a little sign that, you know what, at least get the book and read it. Okay. It's time for change. So, all right, my friends, it was a pleasure making this video. Please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, check out membership, and I will see you all in a few days. Bye, everyone.